Product of two vectors. Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to discuss product of two vectors. It means that vector multiplication. When we multiply a vector with a vector, what happens? So, a product of two vectors is of two kinds. We get scalar product and vector product. Okay. Scalar product, in this we get the scalar quantity. When we multiply two vectors, we get scalar quantity. And when we multiply two vectors and we get vector quantity, then it will be vector product. Okay, let's say A and B are two vectors. Okay, A and B are two vectors. When we multiply two vectors, scalar product. If we write its scalar product, when we multiply these two vectors, scalar product is also called dot product, as you know that. So A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. This is scalar product. The scalar product is commutative. I mean that B dot A is equal to BA cos theta. So A dot B is equal to B dot A. So scalar product is commutative. Scalar product of two mutually perpendicular vectors is 0. If two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, for example, this is A and this is B, and both are mutually perpendicular to each other, then we say that. So if two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, then the scalar product or dot product is 0. Why? Because A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Okay. When two vectors are mutually perpendicular, then theta is equal to 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So AB into 0 is equal to 0. So scalar product or dot product of two mutually perpendicular vectors is 0. So when two vectors A cap dot unit vectors A cap dot J cap is equal to, both are perpendicular to each other, so 0. Like this, J cap dot K cap is equal to 0 and K cap dot I cap is equal to 0, because these are perpendicular to each other. And the scalar product of similar vectors is equal to 1. So scalar product of similar vectors, for example, parallel vector, A, property number 4, A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. When two vectors are parallel to each other, for example, this is vector A and this is vector B, and both are parallel to each other, then theta is equal to 90 was 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So A dot B is equal to AB 1. AB. Okay. Scalar product is AB. Of two parallel vectors is AB. If we discuss unit vector here, so A cap dot I cap is equal to J cap dot J cap, and K cap dot K cap. So scalar product or dot product of two similar vectors is equal to 1. If you get A dot A, so you will write that A square cos theta, and if these are perpendicular, these are parallel, then you get A square. So if two vectors are anti-parallel, as you know that anti-parallel means this and this, so this is vector B and this is vector A, so angle is 180. and a dot scalar product of a dot b is equal to ab cos theta, theta is equal to 180, cos 180 is equal to minus 1, ab cos 180, ab into minus 1 and minus ab. So scalar product of two anti-parallel vectors is equal to the negative of ab. Okay, so if we write scalar product in term of rectangular component, then it will be like this: a dot b is equal to ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, and as I tell you that similar unit vectors has the scalar product 1, and the vectors which are perpendicular to each other has scalar product is equal to 0. So ax similar ax bx, ay by. Why we write this? Because this will gives us ax bx I cap dot I cap. So you know that I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1, and k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. If we write the angle, so a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. So cos theta is equal to a cap dot b cap divided by a b. Okay. Okay, yes, the work is a scalar quantity. So f dot t, f t cos theta. When f and d are perpendicular to each other, then work is 0. If these two vectors are parallel to each other, then work is ft. Okay. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel.